What mysteries are hidden in the Nazca Lines? Why did the ancient people who lived here make them? And how do these huge shapes fit into our modern understanding of the world? In this episode of Fake Tank, we're going to explore what the Nazca Lines could have been used for, from calendars and religious rituals to possible connections with aliens and UFOs. We'll even reveal some controversial decoded messages left behind by the creators of the lines themselves. Are you ready to learn all about the strange and wonderful history of the Nazca Lines? Let's start the timer. High in the arid hills of southern Peru lie the enigmatic Nazca Lines. These prehistoric geoglyphs etched into the desert sands have fascinated and baffled researchers for generations. Stretching over 400 square miles, they include thousands of figures, some of which are over 300 feet long. But despite their size, the true meaning and purpose of the Nazca Lines remain shrouded in enigma. Join us as we delve into the depths of this archaeological marvel and uncover the latest findings from experts who have dedicated their careers to deciphering their secrets. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and intricate designs of these ancient symbols while exploring various theories about their significance. Could they be a celestial map, a religious allegory, or something else entirely? Join us on this captivating journey to discover what lies behind the mysterious Nazca Lines. The Nazca geoglyphs located in southern Peru were created between 500 BCE and 500 CE by the Nazca people. These timeless works of art served multiple purposes, such as religious, ceremonial, and astronomical, created by removing the red pebbles that cover the desert surface to reveal the lighter soil beneath. The geoglyphs range from simple lines to more complex figures of animals, plants, geometric shapes, and human figures. Although many theories exist regarding their meaning and purpose, the truth is still unknown. One popular belief is that the Nazca people used them as a calendar system to keep track of the movement of the sun and stars. This theory is supported by the alignment of some glyphs with significant astronomical events, such as solstices and equinoxes. Others suggest that they served religious or ritualistic functions, possibly representing deities or spirits. Some even believe that the glyphs hold messages left for extraterrestrials, or that they are landing strips for UFOs. While the true meaning of the Nazca Lines may never be fully understood, their beauty and mystery continue to captivate researchers and visitors alike. Some researchers believe that the Nazca Lines may have been part of a vast astronomical calendar used by the Nazca people to track the movements of the sun and other celestial bodies. According to this theory, the lines and figures represent various astronomical phenomena such as solstices and equinoxes, constellations, and the paths of planets. Proponents of this view point to the precision with which some of the lines are aligned with celestial events as evidence of their astronomical significance. For example, one straight line known as the Sitchin line is aligned with the rising point of the sun during the summer solstice. Another set of lines, known as the Cordel de las Alturas, is aligned with the Milky Way. However, critics of this theory argue that there is no direct evidence to support the idea that the Nazca people had an advanced knowledge of astronomy or that they used the glyphs for astronomical purposes. Additionally, there are alternative explanations for the alignment of some glyphs with celestial events, such as natural geological features or random chance. Another fascinating aspect of the Nazca Lines is the possibility that they hold secret messages or codes left behind by the ancient Nazca people. Some researchers believe that the lines may contain hidden patterns and symbols that can be decoded to reveal their true meaning or purpose. For example, one researcher has suggested that the Nazca Lines can be interpreted as a map of the Pleiades star cluster, which was an important religious symbol for the Nazca people. Another researcher has proposed that the lines form a type of musical staff notation that, when traced in the correct order, produces a specific melody. However, these interpretations are highly speculative and controversial and have not been widely accepted by the scientific community. Here's a crazy theory that will make you question everything you know about the Nazca Lines. Did ancient astronauts leave these mysterious markings on the Earth, or are they just another sign of extraterrestrial activity? While mainstream researchers struggle to explain how the Nazca people managed to create such precise and large-scale figures without modern tools, others suggest that we should ignore the possibility that ancient astronauts may have helped or even created the lines themselves. After all, the Nazca people didn't leave behind any written records or other tangible evidence of their culture. So how did they develop such advanced skills? Some say that the only logical explanation is that they received help from an advanced civilization or extraterrestrial being. And if this is true, why would they create these enormous figures? Perhaps they were meant to serve as landing strips for alien spacecraft, or as part of a larger communication system to contact their creators. There are even theories that the Nazca Lines are messages to aliens, left as signs of life for those who visit our world. Of course, there is no concrete evidence to support these claims, but in the absence of a definitive answer, anything is possible. As Carl Sagan once said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, but in the absence of evidence, we must remain open-minded. After all, the universe is vast and mysterious, and there is so much that we do want to know that it would be foolish to dismiss the possibility of ancient astronauts visiting Earth. The Nazca Lines may forever remain a source of fascination and speculation, but one thing is certain: they serve as a reminder of the limitless possibilities that exist in our universe. This brings us back to the original question: what were the Nazca Lines used for? There are many theories, but no one knows for sure. They could have been used for astronomical purposes, religious rituals, agricultural planning, or even as landing strips for extraterrestrial spacecraft. Maybe they were just a combination of all these things. Whatever the case may be, the Nazca Lines are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the ancient civilizations that inhabited this region. And finally, let us not forget about the possibility that the Nazca Lines may have been created simply for aesthetic or spiritual reasons. The Nazca people may have been deeply connected to the natural world around them, and seen the creation of the lines as a way to interact with the environment in a meaningful way. Additionally, the lines may have served as a form of meditation or contemplation, encouraging those who saw them to reflect on the mysteries of the cosmos and their place within it. It's also possible that the Nazca Lines were created as part of a larger artistic expression, a desire to leave behind a legacy that would inspire awe and wonder in future generations. Whatever the true meaning or purpose of the Nazca Lines may have been, one thing is certain: they continue to captivate and inspire us today. In conclusion, the Nazca Lines remain one of the most enigmatic archaeological sites in the world. While researchers have made significant progress in understanding these mysterious geoglyphs, many questions still remain unanswered. Whether they served as an astronomical calendar, religious artifacts, landing strips for extraterrestrial spacecraft, or simply a form of artistic expression, the Nazca Lines continue to fascinate and inspire us today. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the ancient world, it's important to approach these discoveries with humility and respect for the cultures from which they come. The Nazca Lines are not just a collection of ancient symbols, but a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the people who created them. As we strive to understand their purpose and meaning, let us also appreciate the beauty and wonder of these timeless works of art. Do you believe the Nazca Lines hold secret messages, or are there other signs of ancient astronauts? What do you think they were used for? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.